again. Yeah, see, there it was again. I think that fire alarm went off 10 times. And it sounded like it was coming from over where I'm pointing at a house somewhere. I'm gonna be quiet and we're gonna see if we can hear it again. No, I don't know why I keep hearing a fire alarm going off in a house somewhere. It sounds like it's coming from over there somewhere, where the camera's pointing. I think I'm gonna hear it again. I've been hearing that thing go off for like 15 minutes. I think that smoke alarm went off 11 times. How many times did that alarm go off? This is similar to when we were recording a train horn outside the window. Was that a smoke alarm? We're gonna see if we can hear it again.